Internet, welcome to another adventure. Today I'm with the Club.
Suburban Delinquent boy.
How you doing, sir? And 6'4" Honda. How are you doing today, sir? Where are we?
We're in Canadian land.
Canada, Vancouver. So we do have something special planned. We're gonna follow you. We're gonna go get poutine.
Poutine, baby, mamma mia.
And we did a little research. Fritz, right? Was that the name of it?
Yeah, we're gonna go to Fritz.
Was it Fritz?
Yeah.
I kind of don't remember. Anyway, it's in downtown Vancouver. But first, what are we gonna do?
We're gonna jump in the bush.
Oh.
Woo! Ah.
Do Canadian bushes feel different than American bushes?
A little bit spikier, a little bit more mapley, but...
So on our way, we're gonna go hit up the ghetto. You know how to get there, right? It's your country.
Oh, we'll find a way.
Get us there.
We'll find a way, baby.
All right. He's a crazy American. Stay away. Call the police. Another Prius? Ah, get out of here. Huge shout out to Canadian Honda for giving us these bikes to ride while we're out here. You guys are the best. Appreciate it. Everybody wanted to go fishing today. I'd rather go out and create content for you guys, right? How often do you get to rip around on bikes in Canada? So I hope you guys are gonna enjoy this one. It's not that often that we get to ride around with 6'4" Honda, so that's kind of fun. This time around, he's gonna take us to a spot. Poutine. Poutine's like Canada's dish, right? National dish, I guess. I think this poutine stuff was kind of invented or came to light in like the 1950s. And what it is, French fries, cheese, and gravy. Can't go wrong with that. So that's where we're going. But first, we're gonna hit East Hastings. If you're not familiar with East Hastings, I think it's the worst street in all of Canada. Every time we talk to somebody that lives here, they're like, where are you guys going? We tell them we're going to East Hastings. They're like, oh, you're going to hell. Going to hell. And then poutine, which we did a little research, and 6'4" Honda decided to take us to a place called Fritz. Based on all the reviews that we found, that's the #1 spot. Truthfully, it was hard for me to do any research at all because I don't know what makes poutine good and any of that nonsense. So yeah, we kind of let Yelp figure it out for us. This sucks. Traffic? Come on. This feels natural to me, but I'm sure we're f***ed. Yep, we just f***ed up. Right in front of the police.
Look at this. This is so awkward.
Here we go.
They're nice bikes. So you're not from California.
I'm from Toronto.
We're gonna have a little conversation. Okay, you're not getting a ticket. The traffic's heavy. It's tempting. Okay, you can get a ticket. You don't feel like paying $167, right?
That's what it is? Wow.
It's $80 in US. But hey, personally, me as myself, I see the benefit with this heavy traffic. I get it. But people here go crazy, right? Like they're like, oh, they shoot and yell.
Yeah.
And you don't want some crazy person who's just a bit unstable grabbing out an axe or bear spray or whatever they trust me, they do. So you got a lecture, no ticket, enjoy your stay.
Awesome.
Thank you.
Drive safe, okay?
I'll go to Fritz, baby.
Have fun, you guys.
We'll try.
We're gonna go to Hastings, you said?
Yeah, we want to see what it's all about, man. I hope all the cops in Canada are that cool. Are all the cops in Canada hot and nice like that? I like Canada.
I want to follow the rules, man.
Right, because they were nice about it. You want to know the greatest thing about Canada so far? The only Priuses that I see are taxis. Wow, being on a motorcycle in Canada is like being stuck in slow motion. I'm sure you noticed the difference, man. You guys are used to me just kind of buzzing around. It's a quick little peppy bike here, man. CB650. For those of you guys that are looking for a first bike, I'd add this to the list if it's not already there. It's easy to ride, real easy. Smooth, man. Whoa. Oh. East Hastings. The street we're about to go down is gnarly. Years ago I went down it, and there's a dead body laying in the middle of the road, and people are just kind of walking around it. It was really weird. That street had such an impact on me that I've been thinking about it ever since, and today I get to re-experience it. Oh, come on, Walterific. It's a fancy car you got there, sir. We're in your country looking for the best poutine. The best. That's what you do in traffic. You just talk to people. Oh no, excuse me, big truck. Oh, good driver. That guy was like right there. Okay, East Hastings, so we meet again, man. So far, it's not nearly as bad as I remember it. All right, first ambulance. Already smell piss.
Where's all the dead people at? Didn't even care. There's like people down the alleyway like doing drugs and fixing, and the cop was just hanging out.
The smell of piss is intense, dude. Out of my way, cyclists. The alleys of Vancouver. Had enough.
That was nuts, dude.
Out of my way, taxi Prius.
Are we going back to the same? We'll go home? No,
We're going to Fritz.
Where is it?
We're gonna eat food.
Who?
We're gonna eat ocean goblins.
Guys, we're going to Fritz.
I'm on a gold wing. Oh my god, this thing is massive. It was a bad idea to do the East Hastings thing, man. I don't know how much I'm gonna show you guys, but I promise you, it's bad. Real bad. Big bike. Feels big. That was a weird thing to say.
Again, it's quite a big horse you got there, buddy.
Jaywalker! Dude, I can get into this bike. It's nice. It's way nicer than I thought. And it gives you shit to look at. You can look at this stuff. I don't know what it does, but it's cool. Speeder. You're speeding. No excuse to ever get lost. Oh, it's not touchscreen. Should be. Approach me with caution, son. Hi. I'm pretty annoying. You had enough of me. Poontang. Fries and gravy. Can't go wrong, right? This is a horrible bike to sit in traffic with. It really is. West Hastings is a lot different than East Hastings. Night and day, man. It's all BMWs, Porsches, and Mercedes here. The other side, it's like canes, crutches, and wheelchairs. Quite the difference. I see you, Prius. Keep my eye on you, son. The more and more I ride this thing, the more and more I like it. It's cool. Ugh, food trucks, man. Maybe we'll just eat here. Let's go to Mom's. That grilled cheese truck. Whoa, that's cool. Never seen that before.
All right, we're here. Let's go eat some chicken nuggets. Woo!
So good. I'll be back in 2 seconds for more. If only I had some fire sauce. It's so good, Jim. You want a bite?
Good.
Cappuccino Italiano.
Way better than any poutine I've ever had. In Toronto, anywhere. It's a lot of cheese. I don't want to hog all the cheese.
You record me again?
Yeah.
It's good stuff, man. I recommend it. I'll see you in 2014.
100% the best poutine I've ever had anywhere in the world.
Dude, that's huge. You live in Canada. It's like all around you all the time.
Yeah.
And we got the pulled pork.
Yeah.
That was what she recommended.
The part about it is it's in-house, okay? So
Yeah.
you get it from scratch, okay?
Fully recommend that place, dude. It was good. We're not really ready to end the video yet, so let's stop at Cactus Club, get a steak maybe and a beer. But I'm gonna take you guys along. Don't worry.
All right, let's climb up this tree and we'll get out of here.
Hi. How are you?
Good, and you?
Wonderful. Bye. Think we're lost. Blame it on 6'4". It's not me this time. I love it when we're lost.
We're not. My phone just went like silent. My center went super quiet.
Cactus Club. We're going to the Cactus Club. Every time I've ever been to Canada, I wind up at the Cactus Club. They have a peppercorn steak that's really good. I always get that with the mashed potatoes. It's a magical experience. I'm going to share that with you today. I got a buddy that lives out here. His name's Sheldon. I'm going to dedicate this video to Sheldon. I know you're watching, buddy. I'm done with this traffic.
Fucking ridiculous.
Out of my way, Prius. Really kind of enjoying all the sights and smells of Canada. It smells fresh out here, especially in this area. I want a steak! Where's my steak? Whoops. Oh, that's a nice little jump. All right, dude. We couldn't have got here soon enough. The Cactus Club, I think we're in Delta. I don't even know where we're at. Near Vancouver, 40 miles out, 2 hours out. I don't even know. But we're here. Let's eat.
Swipe up.
Cactus Club Cafe. What'd you think, man?
It was good.
What'd you get?
I got a garden burger, not knowing it was a garden burger.
But was it good? You liked it?
Hey, I enjoyed it. 100%.
I guarantee it wasn't as good as my steak.
Oh, buddy. Or the poutine.
What about you? What'd you get? You got
Fish tacos.
fish tacos.
No fire sauce. But
You come all the way to Canada for tacos.
the fish tacos. I heard
It
that.
makes no sense.
I could smell them from USA.
Yeah, man, I got the steak, sirloin, mashed potatoes, asparagus. Home run, I knew it would be. And I will be back, I hope, for dinner. I hope Voss takes us back here for dinner because I'm all about it. And with that, I'm going to go ahead and end this video. If you like this video, hit that like button. If you haven't yet, subscribe. Make sure you go over to Kleb's channel and see what he's up to. Also, 6'4" Honda. Swipe up for that. Big shout out to all the Patreons. You guys make it all worth it. Same for those who support me on YouTube. Also, the channel sponsors, Chaparral Motorsports, the law offices of Henry Haddad, and Voss Helmets, which is the reason why we're here. Check out my website at SuburbanDelinquent.com. I'm always adding new stuff there. Make sure you hit the notification bell so you're aware of when I do upload a video. And I'll catch you guys next time. Later.
Peace.